So you mean to say it is not a ready-made wear, like just like a wig, you just take it and fix it and go. It is something which is to be customized, right?
Exactly, it has to be customized. We have to analyze the texture, the color, the size. If somebody want to have a grey mix of hair, if a 60-year plus person, we have a lot of customers above 60 years.
Oh.
Yeah, of course. So they want to add on some grey hairs. Of course, we can add 20%, 30%, or according to whichever requirement you need. And many of the celebrities, I don't want to name, many of the celebrities have been using these hair systems for more than 30 plus years. But it's not a product related industry at all. People are a lot of confused about, okay, is it a wig? You buy it and wear it. No. There are a lot of technicalities involved in it. The texture, the color, the size. So you need to identify everything before you do a hair fixing procedure. So I would strongly advise you to take advice from a proper professional hair expert before you go for a hair fixing procedure, especially the non-surgical hair fixing procedure, which is the safest available in India. That's it.